In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now you need to click on System Settings. From here select Keyboard and Input Method, and then tap on Gboard. Now finally you can click on Text Correction section and scroll down just a bit. Then click on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!